welcome to my YouTube channel, Katara Cleans. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you like my content. You can also book your own appointment by going to www.katarakleans.com, where you can book your appointments and of course purchase our amazing products. On this episode of Katara Cleans, we are going to discuss the things that are a complete waste of money. One that I see in almost every single one of my clients' house, which is absolutely not needed, is a Swiffer mop. It does not work at all. You cannot get in the corners with it. It sucks for cleaning the restroom because you can't get behind the commode. You just can't get in those tight spaces as if you were cleaning with a regular mop. And also, since you can't squeeze it out and you're using the same rag, you're only transferring the dirt, not cleaning it, if that makes sense. Thing number 2, a squeeze mop. Squeeze mops are for people who have a thing with touching dirty water. They do not clean. It's basically like just spreading trash all over the floor. It's the same thing as a Swiffer mop. I recommend the cedar mop. That's the only one that I use. One, because it's a fabric mop, so it actually picks up, and you can clean them, which makes them more sanitary because you can wash the mop heads. Also, another thing that's a complete waste of money, and it's my opinion, I see it in a lot of y'all house. Well, it's not my opinion, it's a lot of people's opinion. Gain dishwashing soap. Let's do an opinion, whatever. But you know, I think my opinion is in fact, so what the fuck. Gain dishwashing soap is terrible, which is why you should click the link in our bio and buy our dishwashing soap. And the automatic toilet cleaners that y'all think work because y'all are being lazy and don't want to actually clean, so y'all go buy those little flings and throw them in the toilet to turn your water blue and you think it's clean. It is not clean. You actually need to clean it for it to be clean. If you're not going to clean it, then once again, book us. Laundry scent boosters are not very healthy because they can provide an itch, and some of them cause yeast infection depending on, you know, your skin and your pH balance already. And then disinfecting wipes, they don't work. Just when you clean, just use a regular towel, a fabric towel, clean it like that and you'll be fine. You do not need disinfecting wipes. The complete last thing that is a waste of money, which is an expensive waste of money because they're like $200, are the little robotic vacuums. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, but the little circle ones who have like a chamber of this big to pick up dust. Trash. $200 worth of trash. Don't get it. So those are my, tips and tricks. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment if you like my content, and go to www.katarakleans to book your next appointment.